program. This event marks an important step in our shared journey of continuous learning and professional growth. As educators, we play a crucial role in shaping the future by imparting knowledge, fostering critical thinking, and inspiring the next generation. In today's rapidly evolving economic environment, it is essential that we continually update our skills and knowledge to meet the demands of modern education. This faculty development program has been meticulously designed with the objective in mind. Over the next 5 days, we'll be delving into various innovative teaching methodologies, exploring cut-edge research, and engaging in thought-provoking discussions. The program will not only enhance our teaching capabilities but also encourage collaboration and exchange of ideas among us. We are honored to have with us today some of the most distinguished experts and educators who will be sharing their valuable insights and expressions. Their presence and contributions will undoubtedly enrich this program and provide us a new perspective to enhance our educational practices. With this short, brief note on welcome, I request inviting the dignitaries onto the dais, and in this, primarily, I would like to request our HOD sir, Dr. K. Subramaya Garu, coordinator of the 5-day FDP program, to please come on to the dais. I also would like to request the co-coordinator of the program, Dr. BVS Acharya Garu, to please come on to the dais. I request Mrs. Shravya to please invite them with a bouquet. Now I request our dynamic leader, our principal sir, Dr. V.V. Ramareddy Garu, to please come on to the dais. I request Shravya to please invite sir with bouquet. And now it's time to invite our chief guest today, Mr. A. Ramakrishna Garu, Deputy Executive Engineer, APSEB, to please come on to the dais. APEPDCL. So now it's time to start the inaugural session as a customary practice and a traditional view. So we would like to start the session by lighting the lamp. I would like to request the dignitaries to please go with the lighting of lamp. So, with your permission, we would like to play a prayer song for a while. So, all of you please join for the prayer song.
धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Thank you, sir. Thank you, dignitaries, and thank you to all the participants and student friends here. Now it's the time to share a few words from our coordinator of the FDP program. So I would like to invite Dr. K. Subramaya Garu, HOD EEE, coordinator of the FDP program, to start with his opening remarks. So please.
Thank you, madam, for inviting me. Today, chief guest, A. Ramakrishna Rao Garu, Deputy Executive Engineer, APEPDCL, our principal, Dr. V.V. Ramareddy Garu, and all HODs, staff, and participants and students, good morning to all of you. It's a moment of great privilege and honor for me to extend a hearty welcome to all the participants today at this event on behalf of the Department of EEE. All of you know about the Lendi-Eee. I need not say much about the college. It is established in the year of 2008. In the short period, that is in 2017, the institute got NAC accreditation, and 4 departments got NB accreditations. That is EEE is the one of the department, EEE, EC, mechanical, and CEC, under the dynamic leadership of our principal, Dr. V.V. Ramareddy. The department of EEE is established in the 2008. The department having a well-experienced staff and team of coordination. We achieved certain milestones. That is, we get one DST project with the department. It is successfully completed. And earlier, we got one STTP. It is also successfully completed through online mode in 3 STTPs. Next, this year, we got one Atal Fdp program in a trust area. The AICT is sponsored that FDP is very less colleges. In throughout the state, maybe 7 colleges got Atal FDPs. In that, Lendi is the one of the institute. We successfully completed earlier the STTP with the cooperation of participants from the surrounding colleges. I thanks to the participants also once again, because without your coordination, we are unable to complete the successfully the sponsored program. So thanks once again to the surrounding colleges. Next, the main aim of this 6 days FDP are future trends in energy management for smart cities. It is the one of the trust area. It is the one of the trust area aims to create a platform to discuss the cutting edge technologies in the changes in the energy management. Earlier, you could see in one list there is one transformer. It is distributed power throughout the village. So the losses are very high. For reducing, some reforms are included in the energy management systems. That is including small transformers for reducing the losses. If we include small transformers in different areas, definitely the losses are reduced. So consequently, the quality of the power is increased. Further, first we see gate, next micro gate, next smart micro gate, next smart cities. The main aim of smart cities is the power is utilized at the generating stations by using by considering the environment effect also. For increasing pollution, for decreasing the solution, we utilize the renewable sources, that is solar power, wind power. The solar power is very essential in future also. In future, the world, the most of the power is utilized through the solar power. Wind is also one of the source, but the initial cost of the wind is very high as compared to the solar power. That's why the world see the solar power. We also, I am very happy to inform that we also implemented in the college 200 kilowatt power stations in the rooftop. In future, if the smart city is included, smart city concept is included in the various cities. Already, the government of India is announced Vizag and Tirupati are in the category of smart cities. If the smart city concept is implemented, definitely the usage of solar power is increases for reducing the pollution. So there is a need to discuss how to implement the energy management in smart cities very essential in future. In global also. In global also. That is the integration of transportation system, electrical vehicles. In that, how to integrate the electrical systems and how to uh, uh, implement the smart metering systems, and various factors are there in this concept. It is very trust area. It is very trust area. That's why the AICT is sponsored the FDP Future Trends in Energy Management for Smart Cities. Definitely, we achieved after completion of this FDP, all participants understand the energy management across the global and apply the advanced metering infrastructures in smart cities and analyze the AI-based centralized energy management systems and evaluate the role of artificial intelligence in smart cities and create electric power trading framework for smart cities. These concepts are included in this FDP. These topics are very important in the future trends in energy management for smart cities. Definitely, we achieve the outcomes with following resource persons. Dr. D.M. Vinod Kumar sir, sir is a professor, senior professor from NIT, Warangal, ex-professor. Dr. Ranjan Kumar Behra garu, associate professor, IIT Patna. Yes, Dr. Nishant Kumar, assistant professor, IIT Delhi. He is published almost 20 IEEE papers across world. He is a renowned person in IEEE membership. Next, Dr. Hanumantrao from NIT Rourkela. Mr. M. Surprakash Rao garu, CEO Archimedes Green Energy Systems. Dr. Ellen Sastri Varnas garu, Director, Radnu Technologies, and N. Damodar, DE AP SPDCL, Dr. Tamineni Haribabu Garu, our Vice Principal. Already Sir is there. Sir is one of the resource person for skill management. So it is useful to the students also. After time, our staff also are included into the FDP. After training is completed, our staff is given to the lecturer to the student also. Okay, thank you for giving the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. As a coordinator, you have given the themes of the entire week and hope our participants and including me will be utilizing the opportunity of this FTP. Now it's the time to invite our co-coordinator of the program, Dr. BVS Acharya Garu, to please give his opening remarks.
Thank you, madam. Respected Principal Dr. B.B. Ramareddy Garu, today's coordinator and our HOD K. Subbaraman Garu, and today's chief guest Ramakrishna Garu, and participants from various colleges and student friends. Very good morning to all, and welcome to the today's faculty development program on future trends in energy management for smart cities. As a faculty member, we play a crucial role in shaping the minds of our students. Actually, this program is designed for enhance our skills, update our knowledge, and share our best practices in teaching and research. Already, our coordinator discussed briefly about this program, mainly the main challenges in the smart cities. For example, if you consider the storage is the major energy storage is the major challenge in the smart cities. So one of the major key issue also, and at the same time, hybrid power generation. So in hybrid power generation, the new challenge is incorporation of renewable energy sources. At the same time, to minimize the losses in the smart cities as well as the energy management system, we need some smart metering equipment. At the same time, maintaining the continued power supply or quality power supply, how we will run our power electronic converters and inverters. These are the challenges in the smart cities. Coming 6 days, all these will be discussed in the different resource persons. I would like to thank all the resource persons. Special thanks to our internal resource person, Dr. Haribabu Garu, our vice principal. And our next 6 days, we will encourage we will engage with interactive sessions and practical sessions as well as the industrial visit and discussions. I encourage you all actively participate in these sessions. Let us work together to make this program as a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving brief notes on the program. And now it's the time to invite our respected principal, sir, Dr. B.V. Ramareddy Garu, to please give his message. Sir, please.
Dignitaries on the dais, today's guest, chief guest, A. Ramakrishna Garu, and my colleague Subbaraman Garu and Acharya Garu, and all participants from various colleges and my student friends. Good morning. So, about the FDP, both Subbaraman Garu and Acharya Garu explained about future trends in energy management. Obviously, this is very, very important topic for all faculty also. So after present body government taking so many initiatives on this life, and recently also in budget delegated rooftop solar systems to all domestic consumers. So that is one initiative step towards this energy, future energy management. And our college also having already Subramania garu mentioned that point. One more wind energy system also we are having. That also developed by Korean people. But the main requirement for development of that windmill, spiral windmills, we are also here in our campus. I request Subramanian also to explain all the participants about the working and all the things. Okay, now recent focus of government because high grade energy, that is only electrical energy, from generation to utilization. How effectively we use that energy, that plays very, very important role in country development. So almost last 10 years, so many initiatives, all transmission areas and generation areas, so many areas, government having some initiatives. But all the electrical engineers at least should have some idea what initiatives the government is taking. And even consumption areas also, all electrical appliances which were used in domestic areas, there are, you know, 5-star ratings, 3-star ratings. These are all minimum requirement in future. Minimum. In the same way, recently, all air conditioners we should keep at 24 or 25 set points. These are all some of the small initiatives for energy conservation. So, at least all the students and faculty should have these ideas and propagate these things to public, general public. Then it is helpful for the country to save energy. Anyhow, all 5 to 6 days, I request all participants also actively involved in various activities and acquire as maximum as knowledge as possible to next transfer it to your students. Anyhow, I thank your managements also for sponsoring all of you to attend this, especially this type of programs. Anyhow, thank you, Subramania, and once again, congratulate both Subramania and Acharya Garu for getting this opportunity to conduct this activity in our campus. And management also conveyed their wishes to all, both the electrical team and all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your brief notes about our department and the institute. And you are the one who has supported always to us to make the event successful. And definitely, sir, regarding the wind also today, second session we are going to have on the activities wind energy. So hope the participants will also gain the knowledge on how the wind is working in our campus. Thank you, sir. Now it's the time to know about our chief guest of the day, Mr. A. Ramakrishna Garu, DEE, APEPDCL. So before inviting sir, I would like to call Mrs. Vanajakshi to give a brief description about sir's profile.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to all the dignitaries on dais and off the dais. I am Vanajakshi, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Lendi-Eee. A gracious welcome to all for the 1-week faculty development program sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning Atal Academy on future trends in energy management for smart cities, organized by the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Lendi-Eee Institute of Engineering and Technology. We are very fortunate to have today's chief guest, A. Ramakrishna Garu. He's completed his BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from NIT Warangal, MBA from Sikkim Manipal University, joined as Assistant Engineer in APEPDCL in 1998. Presently, he is working as Deputy Executive Engineer at SPM Transformers Division. He also worked as Operations Engineer in various capacities for about 18 years and then afterwards in MRTV. Now, I request our chief guest A. Ramakrishna Garu to address the August gathering. Thank you.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, Sri Subramaya Garu, coordinator of this program, and HOD, Electrical Department, and co-coordinator Sri BVS Acharya Garu, and principal Sri Dr. VV Ramareddy Garu, and all the participants came from various colleges and dear students. Good morning to you all. So it's a great opportunity for me to invite to the program of this Atal Faculty Development Program. Actually, uh, central government is also focusing on this hybrid generation, that is more solar power generation, as principals have said. Recently, they have launched a program called PM Surya PM Surya, Prime Minister Surya program is launched, wherein every individual household should have a solar rooftop, so that our needs will be fulfilled with minimum cost. Minimum cost electrical needs will be fulfilled with the minimum cost. As you all know, our electrical demand is increasing day by day. We have to go for this hybrid generation. I think the faculty all knows that the open access system is there, where we are purchasing the power at higher rates at about even at about 14 rupees per unit, 14 to 15 rupees per unit. That too, if a requirement of 200 megawatts is required for the next day, you have to book a slot for today itself. Otherwise, we don't get in the market. So, such is the power prices existing in India. But as a solution for that, central government has thought this program is very important. So, they came up with a PM Surya scheme wherein you can have 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt as per your requirement. And central government is also giving subsidy for all these services. The 1 kilowatt they are giving 36,000, and for 2 kilowatts they are giving further 30,000, and for the third kilowatt they are giving about 18,000 subsidy. So uh, not only for the faculty that are that are come here, but also for all the general public, general people, it is a very good program. I take this opportunity to promote this program as it is required for all, and also as an electrical department person, it is my responsibility to tell you all this. And also, recently we got Green Energy Champion Award from Indian Wind Power Association. Our state got a Green Energy Champion. So that is the status of our state, as we are promoting much this program. Also, when I worked in Arku as deputy executive engineer, there we have provided DDG project, degenerative distributive system. So where we have a battery and it will be charged with the solar, because we cannot reach the interior villages in the hill area, mountain terrain areas. We can't reach there. So we have come up with a DDG project, which was very much successful way back 10 years. 10 years back it was proposed and it was successfully running till now. So such is the case. Also for the agriculture, also we are providing the solar panels at a subsidized rates. So I request all the participants and also students to please promote all these initiatives taken by the state government as well as central government and make use of it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your brief note and enlightening our participants and students as well. Thank you very much, and we definitely follow your instructions to go through the further investigations on the topics what you have told, sir. Thank you, sir. So, as a customary practice of our Lendi, we at Lendi would like to felicitate our guest of the chief guest today. So, I request the dignitaries, principal sir, coordinator Dr. K. Subramaya Garu, co-coordinator Dr. PVS Acharya Garu to please join, and I request Mr. A. Ramakrishna Garu to please accept our felicitation, and I would also like to request our vice principal sir, Dr. T. Haribabu Garu to please come on to the dais. I would like to request our chairman, sir, Shri Madhusudan Rao Garu, to please come on to the dais. And I would also like to request our secretary and correspondent, sir, Sivaramakrishna Garu, to please come on to the dais. Thank you very much to our management, sir, chief guest, principal sir, HOD sir, for doing the presentation. And now is the time to go with our session. So I think all the participants are waiting for the session one. So hope we all can assemble in third floor triple block with start in third floor. So I request all the participants to please carry with your things to the third floor.